Presently we understood the force of $HODL, and it is local area. Assuming that you accept that it's a steady and dependable token, you will not be convinced by all the other things that goes on like a whirlpool outside your own home, correct? As the metaverse, blockchain gaming, and NFTs ascend as the eminent businesses crossing from decentralization, AXIE Infinity flourishes as one of the most taken on blockchains for administration, interactivity, and non-fungible tokens. In this AXIE Infinity cost forecast, we take a gander at how the token is molding the business and the heading of the cost in 2022. The blockchain has advanced quickly throughout the long term and is presently tracking down a strong balance across different features of programming improvement. From the advancement of shrewd agreements to dApps, DeFi programming, DAOs, NFTs, and presently metaverse, the innovation has kept on disturbing a few businesses while likewise acquiring use cases. One of the developing patterns in the crypto space is blockchain gaming, and AXIE Infinity genuinely deserve notice. We should dive more deeply into the AXIE Infinity project, AXIE Infinity value, its elements, ongoing interaction, administration token, and cost examination. There's outrage from specific quarters on AXIE company, quickly delivering SLP tokens, so that its worth cannot be recuperated, even by recuperating the market. That's what the conflict is. AXIE is dropping useless tokens on individuals. Controlling the game is an affront to humankind. What has happened to this? What is AXIE Infinity? AXIE Infinity is a commonly known blockchain put-together game worked with respect to top of the Ethereum organization. The game was made by Trung Nguyen, current CEO of Sky Mavis, a gaming studio situated in Vietnam. The thought behind the making of AXIE Infinity is to exhibit the capability of blockchain innovation in an instructive and fun manner, while likewise offering monetary open doors. It has executed this effectively by turning into an unmistakable digital currency inclined to the blockchain innovation space. Its advancement was enlivened by the viral progress of the Pokémon and Tamagotchi computer games series. Besides, it highlights flexible, pleasant, and unassuming interactivity that rewards players with different virtual token-related animals, generally called AXIEs. These animals can be exchanged, raised, or combat continuously all through the accrescent AXIE Infinity biological system. AXIEs are NFTs, addressed by ERC 721 tokens, with contrasting qualities and properties, and they can be utilized to procure experience focuses in 3v3 fights. AXIEs are accessible in 4 extraordinariness scales. Normal, uncommon, super interesting, and unbelievable. They can furthermore, AXIEs have 6 body parts. Eyes, tail, back, mouth, ears, and horns. With the exception of the ears and eyes, different parts have unmistakable capacities that impact their fight limits. AXIE Infinity can be played in 2 modes. Adventure mode or arena mode. Players can acquire SLP or AXIs in either game mode. The game likewise offers the chance to fight worked in non-player warriors known as Chimera, to procure uncommon fortunes and extra tokens, to update your characters. Like in reality, gamers can make new and one-of-a-kind posterity animals with exceptional capacities and highlights. Rearing or supporting can happen up to 7 times, and each time it happens, more AXIs and SLP are required. Generally, AXIE posterity will go through improvement for 5 days and become fight prepared thereafter. They can likewise be sold on the marketplace or breed. The AXIE biological system doesn't just permit players to exchange and gather animals, it likewise bears the cost of them tokenized virtual terrains, known as lineages, that will act as an environment for their AXIs. Later on, outsider designers can use the Lineatia SDK to make select games. The AXIE Marketplace. The AXIE Infinity Commercial Center is the best spot to get to AXIs that available to be purchased or ongoing deals history. Players can connect with the channel element to streamline the pursuit question while searching for AXIs that suit their ideal cost, details, body parts, class, and so on. AXIs can be purchased by means of Aranan wallet by first subsidizing it with ETH. Since we have given you definite data about AXIE, will AXS be productive in 2022, and then some? We should get into its past cost investigation, current market status, and cost gauges. Past AXIE price prediction. As indicated by information got from CoinMarketCap, AXS started exchanging at a market cost of $0.1798 and before long hit its unsurpassed low at $0.1234 by November 6, 2020. By January 27, 2021, the coin achieved the $1 mark interestingly, and by February 13, 2021, it had proactively encountered a value gain of more than 90% and exchanged at a most extreme market cost of $2.07. By July 6, 2021, AXS arrived at a most extreme cost of $11.81, and it progressed forward with a bullish pattern until it accomplished its ongoing all-time high of $165.37 on November 6, 2021. The 90-day low of AXS is $48.25, and its most exorbitant cost inside this period is $165.37. The diagram shows that the cost energy has been bullish throughout recent days, with upswings starting from the beginning of October 2021. AXIE price prediction 2022. The cost of AXS is supposed to arrive at least $15.23 in 2022. With a typical gauge cost of $16.56, the AXS cost might arrive at a most extreme worth of $17.43. AXIE price prediction 2023. Our AXS cost expectation for 2023 is bullish. We anticipate that AXIE should have a base cost of $16.57. Its typical cost in 2023 is anticipated to be $18.50. Once more, AXS is gauged to arrive at a greatest cost of $20.57. AXIE price prediction 2024. AXS is supposed to accomplish a base cost of $15.31 and exchange around $22.49 in 2024. All through 2024, AXS can arrive at a typical cost of $18.78. AXIE price prediction 2025. In 2025, the cost of one AXS is anticipated to arrive at least $21.65. All through 2025, the AXS cost could arrive at a high of $27.02, with a typical cost of $23.79. AXIE price prediction by industry experts. Seeing that play-to-earn games have had a huge attract down because of the negative market, CoinPix predicts that the AXS will keep on going down. This is because of the relationship between the cost of Bitcoin and other altcoins on the lookout. Likewise, the central bank is fixing into